what's up? It's me and his name here, and today hey, say hi. Javon, say hi, loser. Loser, say hi.
What's up, guys? I'm also recording this on my channel, so go check out my channel if you feel like it.
And I'm also putting it right here. Let's punch him. Let's punch him. Take that. And by the way, guys, the ones that are new, you can literally place stuff on each other's head. Stop moving. There, look at that. It's a weird hat. Hey, no, stop it. Now. Also, wait, stop. Stop moving. Alright, we could also make, like, stuff under it, like beard. Like that.
Uh-huh.
See, it's kind of
I'm
funny.
a grown adult now.
You give it that. Alright, guys, by the way, this might be like a 30-minute video, so...
And also, if you really like Legos, this game is meant for you.
Yeah, what he said. And by the way, guys, I'm saying right now, this game is called Brickvr. Come on, show up. Alright, there. So, we have colors right here. And then you could also change the colors by this and that. And then, well, I'm making this tree right now.
Yeah, and I'm building the grass. And we're gonna soon... Yeah, we're soon gonna later do the other stuff.
Also, we're gonna make it like a waterfall-ish, so, yeah. Me and, just try to build... I'm trying to build a tree right now. He's trying to build... he's trying to build the grass right now. You are so weird, Javon.
Put that right there.
I don't understand why he makes that noise, but yeah, he just does.
This video might be like an hour long, so like I don't know how long this is gonna take.
Honestly, we both don't know, but it might take an hour. We don't know.
If you guys feel like staying here, watching us do the whole process, then grab your popcorn and grab your favorite drinks and sit back and relax and watch.
Yeah, it might take quite a while to build this, so I'm trying to make it good as possible. I don't want to make it ugly, so.
Okay.
I'm not doing this. This looks ugly.
And, I don't want peach.
Maybe place it right there. And maybe place this one right there. That's good. And another piece. Where should I place this? Right here. No. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Alright. Now,
I'm making the grass, and I'm done with the grass. I'm just gonna add, like, the bulgings.
Yeah, we want to make it pretty detailed as possible, so...
So this might be a 2-hour long video.
Maybe not that long, but yeah, maybe like an hour less, something like that. Honestly, I might be a little bit silent through this video because this is calm, so I might be silent for a little bit. Oh, that's a dookie. Yeah. Give it that. Yeah, I might be silent for a little bit because honestly, this is a quiet thing, so I might...
Okay, how are we gonna do it? Oh, hold on. I have an idea to do that.
What idea do you have?
We just need the green parts like this.
Oh, okay.
Oh yes, like Sakura trees, like one of those.
And I don't want to do those type of trees. I want to do regular trees because they get rid of the whole process of it. No, I don't want to do it.
Oh, you're right. A rainforest.
Yeah. Alright, by the way, guys, remember to like and subscribe. And please don't hate. And also, by the way, I might be silent for quite a while, so because this is calm. And by the way, stuff floats, so we can literally like build up. If we can't build on it, we can literally build from down to up because stuff floats. Alright, so I'm gonna be silent for a little bit, so yeah. What happened to my color? Is that it? No. Ah, that's gray. Heck is that it? No. Oh, actually, is it? Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm gonna speed this up real quick. I want this place. The heck? What the heck? Hello? Why could I place right there? But not on here. Come on, that's dookie. That's all dookie. Get rid of that piece, I guess. Alright.
This is good.
Yeah, I would say that looks pretty good. By the way, remember we have to fill all that in as well. So remember that.
I know it's blue. Like what kind of shade? That's good.
Maybe the shade of like a hand. That shade.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna time lapse this real quick. You mind helping me with this?
Maybe. No, I'm just kidding. I will.
Alright. Hey, wait, hold up. Wait. No. Not that color. Hey, wait, what are you doing? No, it's not supposed to be like fully covered in water. No, get rid of that. It's supposed to be fully covered in water. It's supposed to be like a river, like going down.
Wait, what?
I said like it's supposed to be a river, not like fully covered in it, like a river.
Right here?
Just like a one lane going down. I'm technically saying like, don't like fully cover in water. Just like do like a thin part of water in the middle. Like what I'm doing right now. Do you understand that?
Oh, okay.
Alright, I'm time lapsing this. Hey, I'm just saying after that, come over here and help me do the tree, alright? You think this looks good so far? Hello, do you think this looks good so far, Javon?
That looks good.
Thanks. Alright, ooh, dang, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, what's up?
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, bet.
Be timing this. first tree is done.
Yes, sir.
Finally, that actually took kind of long.
Looking freshed out.
Wait, what? How does the tree look freshed out? Can I put this? What the? Don't be like that. Alright. Alright. No, I don't understand. Yeet.
Get that. Put that right there.
The river's coming out good, huh? Alright, give me that color. Okay. Alright, let's time lapse this. And we are done with the green part, the grass part.
Sir. Now that.
Yeah, let's start building this now. This is probably gonna take the longest part.
I thought it was gonna be gray.
Oh, do you want it to be gray? We can let it be gray. Yeah, I can't find any brown.
I have gray.
Wait.
Isn't that what it is?
Yeah, but I know that, but let's do gray. Yeah. Let's go.
So like that.
No, that's black. I'm putting that on your head now. Oh. Hey, get that off my head. Hey, get off. Get off. Oh, you little. Now I'm putting it on your head.
I don't have
Get
brown.
Oh, dear. Yeah, there we go.
I don't know how to get
Talking
brown.
about brown. Talk about gray, boy.
Alright, brown, right here.
I'm sick of put these.
Is that
on your
brown?
head. You will never notice. Why do you need brown? That's like poop. Get that out of here.
That's like poop.
That's exactly what I just said.
That brown.
Why you trying to find that brown? That ain't brown. I don't know why you need brown, but that's what?
Hey, get
That's
that
like
color.
red. But dude, we need gray, dude. The heck? Where's the gray at? The heck?
Nah. It's like poop.
Here's brown. No, not even brown.
How
It's
you
like
get
reddish.
that?
Get rid of that. What? Oh. No, that ain't even brown. Yeah, just do gray, dude. That's a trashy color. Get that out of here. That's a trashy color, like a red brownish. I don't even know what that color is.
That does not look the same. Is this brown?
Why do you need brown? Yeah, no. It's like a light brown. Just do gray, dude, as I just said. Just start getting all gray. Yeah, let's just do gray.
Oh, but
You never find the rest of the blocks that you had.
wish all my time for dead.
Hey, I need a
Is that
darker gray. I have a lighter gray. I need. Yeah, you have a good gray. I have a. Yeah, that's too light. No, get that out of here.
That gray.
Eat. What? Where's
Oh,
that
it's
color
gray.
I need? It's like a light gray, like dark light gray. Okay. No.
Sure, that's gray.
Yes, that's the gray that I was talking about. Yes,
Okay.
that's what we need. But this gray, put it on your head. Ow! Oh, you still have blocks on your head. Hey, get that off. Hey, get over here. I'm gonna put this on your head. Get over here, boy. Get over here. Get over here, boy. No. I always try to figure out to put a block on you. And there's still more blocks on you. Look. He's just spotting blocks in your head, dum-dum. Dude, there's a block on the right of you. It's like right. Alright, no, there's one more block. Right? There's one more block, dude.
Right here?
There's like right here. No, not right there, dude. Raising your hand right in the air. Look. Look, it's like right here. Right here. There you go, you got it. Alright, let's continue building the waterfall. That's a good color, let's do it. Alright, mwah, 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 mwah. Yeah, that's the color that we need, but I'm trying to figure out what color. Just all over your face. It's right there. Bro, there's still like a nugget on your face.
Where?
It's like down on your chin. It's a little bit more down. No, it's right there, dude. It's right there. Look, right there.
Did I pull that on my ass or something?
Oh, no, you did not. You can't find me. You'll never find me. Never. Oh, you can't get me. Wait, what?
I can see your speaker.
Dude, come here now. What is this?
No.
What is this? Come here now. Get over here, Javon. Dude.
What is what?
Look at this.
What the?
Bro, I
Female
just
dog.
found that out. That's so flippin' weird. Bro, still dying. Yeah, you thought I was talking about something else. No, I was talking about this weird picture on the floor. It's a cow with hair. I don't understand that. They try to do. That's probably a secret that they added.
You're such humiliating. Not you.
Hey, you're humiliating.
You say no skinny blocks, right? But only big boy blocks.
Yeah, big boy
You
blocks.
literally-
No small boy
You placed
blocks.
a skinny block. No, give me that.
You shut up.
Here, this will be your beer now. Take this. This is your beer now. No, he has a beard. Wait, I also want one with you. Move! No, wrong one. No, wrong one again. There you go. Yeah, now I have one like each one. I know, it's funny. Hey, get the one off my head, loser. Ow! Shush your mouth. Yeet! It's gone. Alright, take that! Take that! Alright, I might fast forward. That's black! No, get rid of that! Ain't gray. I said gray, dum-dum. Get gray, not black.
No, not that
This-
black.
Yeah, that's great.
That's
Actually,
great.
it's like a, that's like, no, that's black. Actually, let's keep that there. Stop. It's not gonna show, so. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward this. Ooh, nice. You made a bridge. That's really
Bridge.
good. Bridge. Alright, now we should add some plants. Or if there isn't even any. By the way, we should also add one more tree before we end this video.
How about we put these for the plants?
Ooh. Actually, that's really good. Yeah, just place it like over here. And then we'll place the tree right there.
Alright.
What flip is the color? Green. The heck are the colors at? Where's the color green at? What the heck? Let's go back. Not even close. The heck is brown though? What the heck? Oh no, wait. Like take these and then put those right here. There we go. That looks good. Alright, now we should get on with the tree now. Alright, I'm gonna go fast forward it. Oh wait. Wait, stop moving. Yeah. There we go. Alright, now we need.
Is that brown?
Yeah, there we go. I put mine back.
Is that
I'm
brown?
gonna add another on my head. Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Alright.
Maybe like a little bit darker. Oh, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna find this color and fast forward it. Wait. This one could go right there. Then this could go right there. Wait, what are you doing? Get that off your head.
Hey.
Alright, I'll put it back.
You back.
There you go. What the? Wait, stop moving, stop. There. That's a good mouse. Oh, okay. I'll put my, stop moving. I'll put my hand in. Uh-oh, your mouth came off. Oh, stop. Okay, but, the heck, alright. But, no, seriously, alright, let's continue building, alright? Get rid of that.
It's floating brick.
Get rid of that. Alright, time lapse in the rest of the video. Finally, we did it. Alright, guys, like and subscribe, and bye.